everyone, I'm Leah. I'm an admissions counselor with Rankin Technical College, and I'm here on campus at our brand new location out in Troy, Missouri. This location is housed out of the Lincoln County Workforce Development Center, and the rumors are true. We will be up and running for the fall semester of 2022 with a brand new program in agricultural engineering. Agricultural engineering is going to focus on the ins and outs of the aquaponics industry, which is actually a centuries-old alternative to traditional farming that dates all the way back to 1000 AD. The Mayans and Aztecs used this method of non-traditional farming to grow crops on a raft on the surface of a lake. Now it's 2022, so our technology has advanced quite a bit, but if you stick around, I'll tell you all about it. So as you can see, I'm here inside of our brand new agricultural engineering shop. This program is going to focus on a combination of two different aquaponics techniques, including deep water culture and nutrient film technology. These concepts only include three crucial components: plants, fish, and bacteria. A fully functioning system is entirely self-sustainable year-round, uses less water than traditional farming, runs entirely off of solar energy, and is free from the use of fertilizers and pesticides, so it's great for the environment. The concept is simple. Typical crops we've seen grown using this method of alternative farming include leafy greens, microgreens, and even some herbs. Our seeds are planted straight into a substrate called rock wool until they're strong and ready to be transplanted into our aquaponics system. Now the fish have a different job. They will live inside of this 4,500 square foot shop, and all they have to do is let nature run its course. The fish will live in these large tanks and produce waste that is high in nitrogen and ammonia. Over time, this creates a healthy bacteria and a nutrient-rich water-based solution that is then pumped out of their tanks and into our smart greenhouse for the crops to absorb. Once that wastewater has made its way out to our smart greenhouse, the crops will naturally filter it through a process called the nitrogen cycle, and then it will be pumped back into the fish tanks to start the process all over again.